In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Soundly, a software that helps you store, manage, alter, and get quality sounds locally or cloud-based. To get started, go into your preferred browser and then type in Soundly. And it should show up as the first link. Click on it, and then if you're using Windows, then click on the download Windows over here. If you're using Mac operating system, then click on the Apple logo. I'm using a Windows, so I'm going to click on this one and then store it wherever you want. And this is just the setup. So it's not the actual software. This is what's going to help us actually get the software. So after you finished, click on the setup and then click on yes. And then now you just have to finish the setup. So just store it wherever you want. And then once you're done, click install. And then check this box and then click finish so Soundly can start up. And you can see it actually working. So just okay. So here's Soundly, and it requires you to log in before you can actually use any of its features. So to log in, you can just click on get started or sign in if you already have an account. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to just sign in using my account. And there we go. And of course, Soundly is always getting updated with new sounds in its library that you can get for free. And yep, that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.